Hi everyone, today let us draw the types of muscles. Here I am drawing the rough diagram of the muscles, the types of muscles in a body. Before that, let us discuss the short brief introduction of the muscular system. We have already learnt our body have different bones, isn't it? They form the skeletal system. But do you think we can run, play just by using our bones? Bones cannot move on their own. They need a help from the muscles which are attached to the bones. When the muscles contract or relax, they helps to move the bones. There are about 650 muscles in the human body and each muscle is responsible for a particular movement. Muscles also help the important process such as digestion, respiration and excretion. So this was a short introduction of the muscular system. Let us see the types of muscles. There are three types of muscles in a human body. You can see in the picture I am drawing the muscles. The first muscle is a skeletal muscles. This skeletal muscle is a fixable in nature. The muscles in a body that are under a control and they are also called as voluntary muscles. These muscles are found in arms, legs, eyes and the tongue, etc. These muscles help us to run, walk, bend, stretch, isn't it? These muscles dry easily because they contract and relax quickly. And this skeletal muscle help in everyday movements. The main function of this skeletal muscle is to contract to produce the movement, sustain the body posture and maintaining the body temperature and store nutrients. This muscle help us to perform a lots of different activities with the help of the muscles. For this skeletal system, I have given one example, that is arm. You can see in the picture I have drawn it. So the next muscle, the second muscle is known as cardiac muscle. This cardiac muscle is like a tuber-like structure. These muscles are found in the heart and are not attached to any bones. Cardiac muscles are very strong and hence they do not get tired. These muscles are involuntary in nature. This cardiac muscle helps to pump blood in and out of the heart. It transports blood and nutrients throughout the body with the help of arteries and veins passing through the muscles. So, for the cardiac muscles, I have drawn the diagram of the heart. You can see in the picture. And the next muscle is the smooth muscle. These smooth muscles are thick and thin filament. These muscles are found in the inner organ of our body such as lungs, the stomach, intestine and the blood vessel. They do not tire easily because they contract and relax slowly. We cannot control the movement of this muscle. So they are also called as involuntary muscles which are not under our control. But who controls them? They are controlled by the nerve system. This smooth muscle move and helps in the functioning of the organs. So for smooth muscle, I have given the example of stomach and the intestines. You can see in the picture I have drawn it. Here I have been drawn a three types of muscles with the examples. So this was a short and brief explanation of the muscular system and the types of muscles that are present in a body. If you like this video of drawing with explanation, please try to like and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more updates. Thank you.